So this video is to showcase the issue with the BLX1 Android ESC. The BLX1 Android ESC, and the problem is that, and it is not an isolated problem, different customers have this, it is when it is started, it has four green lighting, and the four green lighting are working in a row. I have tried to make the factory reset, and I will show you the problem, the technical problem. I am going to present you the setup. The setup is that I have stopped the radio receiver with the servo tester. I will go to neutral to fake like the radio receiver is to the neutral. As a reference, here there is a servo plugged with the same output as the ESC, so the signal is correctly branched, power on the ground is to the minus, and the goal is to see that if the servo goes correctly to the neutral to indicate that the ESC is in the correct status, then the ESC is branched to a brand new motor here, which is working. I will test with this motor. I will also test with another motor, and at the end I will test with another ESC to be sure that the motor are not defective. So let's get started. And the problem is that, so the battery is of course loaded. The problem is that when it is turned on, I have a full green without a single noise. So let's do it now. On. My servo is not yet to the neutral, so I go to the neutral. Now it is in the neutral in the middle. And I have since the beginning 4 green light. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the user manual says that the ESC can be factory reset when it is in fact turned on by pressing 4 seconds on the mode button here. So I'm going to press 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I release. And normally the light should indicate a factory reset, which is not the case. I am going to do it one more time. Hold 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and still no factory reset. So even the factory reset operation do not work. And one very curious thing what I have noticed is if I unplug one wire of the motor, here when it is started, at one point the ESC will go to a different status where it is normally blinking some red. We do not see it there, but it gets out. But still, if I plug again the motor and restart, I will come back to the green lighting. Now I'm going to test and to power on with the second reference motor. So the second reference motor is now plugged in. This is a Turnigy power system, brand new motor 3674. And it is branched with a brushless. Okay, I have switched off my ESC. I am going to switch on, then go to the neutral of the servo. Here I am going to move the servo here to be sure that this is going to the neutral. And we are going to see together when it is powered on what it is doing. Power on, directly for lead. I'm going to the neutral. Neutral. And still 4 green. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And never I have had any noise from the motor. And same thing here, if I unplug any kind of cable, like for example the red one. Cable is moved away, and the green LED is stopping to blink. Now let's do the exact same test with the reference ESC here that I am going to test to see if the motor makes some noise at the beginning. So I have plugged in the reference ESC, which should work. Exact same setup. The battery is branched to the ESC. The ESC is branched to the motor. The ESC has a signal, which is branched to the servo tester that is going to go to the neutral. And I have my reference servo here. Let's make the power on. Okay, power on, no noise from the motor, but I will try to now go on. Okay, it was in the third mode. So you see that the motor is working. Okay. If I switch off, quite noisy. This is a little too much noisy, but so no noise of the motor. Okay, at the beginning. Okay, but still it is working. Huh? Let's try with another motor. Now the other motor is now branched. Same test. Power on. So the motor does not make any noise, but it works. So the ESC is working, everything is working, the ESC is working. So the problem comes from this ESC BLX 100, which is defective, which has not documented state. The four green lighting LED flashing is not documented in the user manual. So there is an issue. In fact, in the conception, there is a defect. And the support of Horizon Hobby should be contacted for this region. And because we have heard no beep from the previous motor, I am going to try to put the legacy ESC with the legacy motor to see how it behaves. No noise at all. It is the motor is plugged in with the ESC, and the ESC is flashing the same status for green. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I am going to retry to retest. Off. On. I go to the neutral here. Okay, the ESC is there. It is plugged to the motor, and the motor, which is working as a motor, because in fact I have tested with another ESC, it is working. And with the other ESC, I hear the beep. So there is nothing to do. There is nothing to do. Nothing can be done. And if I press one more time, 4 seconds on the mode button, 1, 2, 3, 4. The user manual says that it should come back to the factory reset. And you see, with all my testing to make the factory reset, even the factory reset functionality do not work.